Okay, Casey has been marinating with some saline drops in his trach. And now, Julie's going to put the cough tube up to him. And then, see how she pulls it away a little bit?
I'll do it this time. Ready?
Okay. Can you hear it? Oh, I could see it.
Yeah.
I can't see it. Okay, now she's going to pull it away.
Last one.
And put the vent back on. And now, look what's in this tubie. Can you see this spooge in the tubie?
Look on this side.
Ooh, we have better on this side? Oh yeah, look at that up there. See, what we do is, there's the long cough tubing, the clear long cough tubing, and then we add a connector and a 6-inch flex piece to it. And then we have these special cough adapters, which we can't even get anymore. But they do give you some clear adapters in the packages with the cough tubing that are for trachs, but I like these better, so we will take this off and put it to be cleaned. And yeah, what we do is we rinse it out and with lots of soapy hot water, and rinse it again, of course, and then we put it in vinegar, and we reuse the green ends forever and ever, and the 6-inch flex we use for about a month, and then we toss them and get new ones. And knock on wood, somebody, Julie, Casey never has any trach infections. He's rarely on antibiotics, and we think it works for Casey. The end.